Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
And we Goans are supposed to be hospitable. And tourists come to Goa for our Atithi Devo Bhava nature. Now few miscreants cannot spoil this image of our Goa. So let's be very, very clear that things what has been happening, it is uncalled for and it should stop immediately. We welcome government has taken some few action they've just started taking yesterday. I think they should not stop here, and for once for all, government should be firm on this stance, and we welcome what their government stand what they have taken, but it should not stop here. They should be firm on their action because this menace is going for years together, and it is high time that we put full stop to this menace. It is high time that this transport industry is regulated by putting meters and using technology. Let customers select mode of transport they want. There cannot be, force on someone that you have to use particular type of vehicle only, or you have to use from particular area only. We are living in democracy, so it is bound to have a competition, and competition is here to stay. Let's be very, very clear on that part. The government should act, because if we don't act now, let's be very, very clear, once things starts opening up in next 15 days, 20 days or 1 month's time, we are going to have a lot of negative publicity, and the people coming to Goa will decrease drastically. And it will not affect only taxi drivers, but it will affect all the industry relying on tourism industry in Goa. And as you all are aware, 40% of the people in Goa directly, indirectly depend on tourism industry in Goa.
Now all the line producers have been following the SOPs, and that's the reason why things were moving. Since August we started the shoots. There were no issues or anything. All of a sudden this issue has come, and it was very much surprising for us. Till now we never faced such type of issues during the shooting times.
The second thing is we are in 2021, and we have to go for a tech push. Without embracing technology in the 21st century, I think we are just going to be left behind, and it's going to be a disastrous thing for Goa if we start bowing down to pressure tactics to ban technology, ban aggregators. On the other hand, our stand at TTAG has been to invite more aggregators, some of the bigger players into the state, to compete with the present aggregator which is there in Goa just now.
Now, due to this taxi strike, what has been happening is we are getting difficulties in getting the taxis, where we have to request our friend to give their private cars to operate our shooting. Now, one message I like to send it to our taxi brothers, taxi union brothers: just because you have stopped your business, you can't force somebody else to stop his business.
So my only request is for all taxi drivers and unions is to understand that there are various players in this ecosystem who are playing. Do not take the law into your own hand. If there are any genuine grievances, I'm sure they can be solved. Even we called them for a meeting. We came out with a white paper where we asked them to list their issues. Their issue was that we just don't want any interference in our business. We will do what we want. That is not the way that you work. So I would like to conclude by saying, don't take the law into your own hands. Try and see that the industry grows, and I'm sure there will be enough business for all of us at good, decent prices.